Hello, this is a super quick video running through the different features that Databricks offers to help you automate, optimize, and vacuum operations on your data lake. Optimize is compaction. It helps you fight the small file problems and the performance issues that's caused by those by compacting smaller files into larger ones. And vacuum is getting rid of the data files that's no longer referenced by our delta table that's older than a retention period. And vacuum is very useful for GDPR requirements, as well as controlling the size of the data lake, getting rid of older files that's no longer in use. And Databricks does a lot of features that helps you automatically run either optimize or vacuum. And here's a little decision tree on what to use when. Let's head over to my computer. We want to run optimize and vacuum. And first thing you have to decide is, are you using Delta Live Tables as a ETL tool? If you are, then you don't have to worry about it because Delta Live Tables runs something called maintenance tasks, and these will run optimize and vacuum for you behind the scenes on the schedule. And if you are not using Delta Live Tables and you still want to automatically run optimize or vacuum, you have to check a few prerequisites. So if your DBR is 12.2 and above, and if you are using Unity Catalog and managed tables, and you have serverless enabled on your accounts, then congratulations. If you have all of these, then you can run something called predictive optimization. Predictive optimization is a new feature that's released by Databricks. It's currently in public preview in December 2023. And it will basically help you run optimize and vacuum automatically. Once you turn it on account level, you can decide which catalog you want to enable, and the schema will inherit the enablement from catalog unless you explicitly disable certain schema within the enabled catalog. You can also check whether predictive optimization is turned on for the catalog or schema by running described catalog extended and the catalog name, or describe schema extended the schema name. Operation history can be checked within the Unity Catalog system tables, so you can check which operations will run and at what time. If you don't have all of the prerequisites here, if you're missing one, for instance, serverless, or if you're missing Unity Catalog, then you can still use something used to be called Auto Optimize, and now essentially it's two settings. One is Auto Compaction, and the other is Optimized Write. Both of these can be set as a table configuration or a Spark session configuration. The difference between these is Auto Compaction is doing the compaction or running optimize after a table is written, and it will only run on tables that hasn't been optimized yet. Optimized write is directly writing larger files, so you don't have to write and then optimize. Optimized write will introduce a little bit of a write latency because it is writing larger files. You can choose the target file size if you want. If you don't set it, it defaults to 128 megabytes, the magic number that Spark likes. And you can also choose to auto-tune the file size based on workload, or auto-tune the file size based on table size. This is it. This is a super quick video explaining different options you have to automatically run, optimize, and vacuum. I hope you enjoy the video. I'll see you at the next one.